Hello, I'm Phoebe Batterson-Brown, and these are the top stories for the week ending Friday, the 27th of January, 2023. The UK government has picked Barclays Eagle Labs as its new supplier of growth grants designed to support the scaling up of UK tech startups, ditching its longtime partner, Tech Nation. Following its launch in 2010, government-backed industry body Tech Nation has played a prominent role in supporting the UK's tech industry, with 40% of all British tech unicorns and decacorns having graduated from a Tech Nation scheme. This comes after Tech Nation previously claimed its programs have provided one of the best ROIs for the taxpayer, delivering a £15 return on every £1 invested by the government. However, a recent pitch made by Barclays Eagle Labs was deemed to provide the best value for taxpayers' money. Researchers have revealed 350,000 open source projects have been left vulnerable to a 15-year-old security bug in the Python programming language. Together with GitHub, the researchers at Trellix have patched a total of 62,000 affected projects so far. Trellix originally thought the bug was a zero-day exploit, only to later discover it had previously been spotted in 2007. If exploited, the bug could allow a hacker to overwrite arbitrary files in a tar archive. In addition to the 350,000 affected open source projects, the bug is believed to be prevalent throughout closed source projects too. Frameworks created by Google, Intel, and Amazon Web Services are all thought to be affected. A new report has called for monetary and legislative incentives to be introduced to help the tech industry transition away from memory-unsafe programming languages, such as C and C++. Research from Consumer Reports claimed that around 60 to 70% of browser and kernel vulnerabilities discovered in codebases are largely comprised of code written in older languages. Following similar recommendations from the NSA, the report suggested the industry switch to memory-safe languages such as Rust, Ruby, and Go as soon as possible. However, the study also concluded that extreme incentives may be needed in order to make such a drastic change a reality, such as cash prizes for using certain libraries and the funding of new operating system across the Linux ecosystem. That's it for this week's News in Review, but join us next time for more news from the world of IT.